generally all the professional master course, that is 1 year courses, don't give TA or RA, but other courses like I think industrial engineering also doesn't give easily. Like at times they do, but it's very limited options, limited positions. I think even engineering management does not. Only the courses which has involved research gives TA and RA opportunities or scholarships. Earlier you apply, the better. I think a lot of times you can even negotiate on your offer. I'm not sure, it really depends from university to university and from department to department. And you can, so every student is allotted an advisor, so you can start talking to your advisor as soon as you arrive to the campus, because you meet your advisor in the first week of the, or even before the college starts, like the classes start. So you can start talking them, like you're looking for it, like a potential tier RA opportunity. You can ask them, if they have any positions under them, or if they know any other professor under them who know about it, about any positions open. Or sometimes if even if the department doesn't have a position, the professors know about positions open in the other department, and other department are ready to take students from different departments. So you just have to start making contacts as soon as you come. And generally they interview students, look at the resume before selecting them. So yeah, your communication skills, your resume should be like built up for the positions. Purdue, like I myself do an on-campus job. There are a lot of different kind of on-campus job. There is grading, then there is tutoring, then you can work. Like we have Purdue Memorial Union, where there are a lot of restaurants and kitchens. So I know people doing like people working in the kitchens or in the bakery. And there is something called proctoring, where you supervise the exams. That's a really high paid job, at least at Purdue. Then you have bartending job as well. You have like computer students, I know like jobs are open for like a lot of programming as well. Like we have something called ITAP, which is like computer systems of Purdue. So they need students for that as well. So then we have like little NGO work as well, which if you don't have any prior community service experience, you can do that at Purdue, and it is a paid job. So there are a lot of different kinds of job, and we have like a whole portal for it, and you can even start applying for it like a month or 2 months before coming here. So the average pay is $9 per hour. The highest, like proctoring, goes $15 per hour, and lowest would be I think 7.5 per hour. I think that is grading. I'm not sure. Mostly grading is little low, and I think, but the TA and RA is pretty like either you get a stipend for a month, or if it is like there are different kind of TAs and RAs as well. So in one, you get a stipend, or one it is like a $20 per hour thing. I would say at least 300 to 400. I'm not sure though. So mine is a 1 year course. So for me, I think it's a little cheaper. Mine is like $37,000, the whole fee. If there is a scholarship, it is only like for research people, like people who are doing their thesis. And generally they give you in your offer letter itself, like they'll tell you